Welcome to Palona Vista Park in Palmdale. We're coming at you live here. It's a little after 5:30, and just waiting for everybody to show up. We'll have the races beginning here in about 45 minutes or so. We'll have a 1 mile race followed by a 3 mile race. We've been at this for over 30 years now, and Alan Brown, our coordinator, has been one of the members of the High Desert Runners that has been coordinating the entire run for the whole time, and we appreciate you coming out, and hopefully we'll get a good turnout today. We're looking at probably about 100 people or so. In the past, that's what it's been. I'll try to get accurate times so that when you come out, you'll have times for reference. There'll be six preliminary meets followed by a 7th finals meet. The rules are to qualify for a finals trophy, to have accomplished at least 3 of the 6 preliminary meets. And the 7th meet will consist of trophies for the top 3 finishers in several different age groups, ranging from 5 all the way up to 95. So appreciate your coming out, and we'll check in later on. Oh yeah, of course it's hilly. There'll be some mostly all dirt trail. The race will consist of a 1 mile beginning, and then the 3 mile will take us up into some of the mountainous areas where there'll be a lot of uphill and a lot of downhill. So there'll be mostly the runs will be, since it's still fairly hot, it'll be probably the best thing to do is to not try to overdo it in a race like this in this heat. So it's going to be really fun. So hope you'll all be able to make it.
Thanks, Steve.
All right. Okay, sure, Joey.
Make sure people go that way. They stay to the right. Okay, stay to the right as they're coming this way, because some of the courses go this way. Okay. But this week we really need people there because it's the first meet, and a lot of people are not going to be familiar with it. Okay, you're it, man. If you want to go out and just watch what they do, they go out here on the gate here, whereas the 3 milers continue on out this way, you see it there. The 1 milers take a sharp right turn and head down here. And you can sort of watch as they do. If you want to go down to this spot, hi.
Do you need a registration form?
Is that what you're talking about for the kids, right?
Okay, runners, to your mark.
tough run. It's going to be the coolest one of the year, I think, though.
Oh man, that's gonna suck.
Usually they average around 94 or so when we start.
Well, what do you think is the most challenging part of that race? Anything in particular?
I think that hill on the last mile.
Two of them, yeah. 3 times.
Last mile?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the hardest part, you think?
I think at the end, that we have to go up that 3 hills over there.
Yeah.
It's like really tough, steep.
Tough.
What was the hardest part?
Hills.
The hills? Is there any hill in particular?
That one. The one that right there.
The one that loops around?
Yeah. Yeah. When you're
Yeah.
the one that comes in.
You got any advice for anybody coming in future races?
Well, just pace yourself during the run. That's all I can say. And prepare for the hills. That's all
Okay.
I can say. Yeah.
So it burned, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Well, and that's a wrap. All the runners have gone home. The staff is cleaning up whatever needs to be cleaned up after a big race like this. And I hope that you guys were inspired to come here on future runs. If you are inspired, please go on High Desert Runners website. Just look them up on Google. If you live in the AV area, Palmdale, Lancaster, Santa Clarita, surrounding areas, you might want to make your way down here and be part of the competition. It's fun. It's a community building event. There's a bunch of people that are just here to make friends. So look up High Desert Runners. There's a calendar on their website. You're more than welcome to come. There's more events on there, and if you want, you can join the club, be part of the community. All right, guys, so hope you liked the video, and please share it along with anybody that might be interested or that might live in the area. Everybody's welcome, all ages and all abilities. All right, see you guys later.